Okay, so this is actually called the Historic Railroad Hiking Trail, and we actually ended up at the end of the trail instead of the beginning of the trail. So right here is where the beginning of the trail should be, but stuff happened, so we ended up driving all the way almost to the Hoover Dam, and we started at the beginning and worked our way backwards.
All right, so we finally found this damn trail we've been looking for. We've been in the area for an hour, and here we are.
We just passed all those historic things. Here we are, we're going on this trail. Finally found it. We're planning on getting bikes like these people at some point. That sounds like a lot of fun. We could get a lot more places, except for Luna can't come with us. But,
Get a basket.
Yeah, there we go. So we just came out of that tunnel, and here we are. Just walking 20 feet off the trail. I'm not sure how deep or steep this ledge is. Oh, it's not so bad. Well, I mean, it's pretty steep. I wouldn't want to go down that. All right, you ready to head back now?
Yep, it's 2 o'clock.
1 o'clock, you mean?
Yeah, close enough.
We definitely have found our new spot that we're going to come back to and hike. That's the other tunnel, and there's 3 more after that one, but I got to go to work, so we got to turn around, unfortunately. The electricity generated at Hoover Dam is part of an integrated 15-state power system. Look at this thing. It's like a giant fan.
Inside.
Just add water. Hydropower is the oldest form of renewable energy. Still a big part of our future. Workout. That's cool. Well, look, it's higher than biomass and wind. Hydropower is almost triple the energy.
Workout pause.
That's cool. It's like all rusted.
Workout.
Look at the top of it. It's like completely black. Is that still rust or what is that?
Yeah,
What is this thing? Gate? Wow. How heavy do you think that thing is?
a couple tons. Oh, people throwing trash in there. Assholes.
Workout pause.
Look how that's blue with turquoise.
Mm-hmm. Sweater paint, they painted it.
There are 12 high-pressure outlet valves on each side of the river which can release large amounts of water very quickly. One of the originals installed in 1936.
Huh.
Workout with him.
Found the nut.
You think bolt?
Found a
You
bolt.
think it's from one of these?
I don't know.
It has to be from something from here, right?
I don't know. Does it look that old? Look, they're doing rock. What is it called?